Hey there, need to update the email address where you receive verification emails for your Gmail account? I have got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, open your web browser on your PC and log into your Gmail account. Once you are in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account. Now you'll be on your Google account dashboard. Look for the security tag on the left hand side and click it. Scroll down until you see the ways we can verify its use section, which is right here. You will find your current recovery email address. Click on it to edit. Remove your current recovery email address and type in your new recovery email address. Once you have typed it, click on Verify. Now you will be getting verification code on your email. Now type in your verification code you received and tap on Verify. And that's it. Your new recovery email has been verified. It's as simple as this. If you found this video helpful, share it with others who might need a quick guide to update their verification email. Stay secure and happy emailing. Bye bye.